he in the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Google.
We're walking through the jungle here. I'm being Googled again. Look at these.
Good.
Is he not looking at the camera?
Oh, he's looking around.
Good. You have
Yeah.
to look at the camera. Don't go after my flowers.
No, I don't really like those.
He
flowers.
won't eat these?
No.
Would you like me to hold those?
Maybe.
Do you want to come, Lee?
A day of riches here. I can't tell you how wonderful this is.
When you get home, you can have your friends Google it.
Look at this little baby. Look at this little baby. Is this a precious little baby or what? This is a baby if I ever saw one. Can you see his face? He's a cute little baby. Think we could get him in our suitcase?
Maybe.
He'll have some and you can have some. Taste it.
Look.
It's very good for you. This is something that you should use.